Welcome to this video in the IBM Cognos Analytics series, Data Preparation and Modeling. In this video, you'll see how IBM Cognos Analytics data modules make data blending easy and intuitive across all data sources. Imagine you are a business analyst at the Great Outdoors Company. In your role, you've been tasked to analyze product performance across the company's many product lines and brands. With the numerous data sources available, you need to be able to join multiple data sources and then shape, blend, cleanse, and refine the data for your analysis. Cognos Analytics data modules capabilities are the ideal way to achieve this goal. To get started, you simply select the data source you want to use. To begin, you'll select your corporate data. Cognos Analytics will read in the data source and present all the data you have permissions to view. Here, you see you have access to an extensive amount of corporate data that you can use for your analysis. With Cognos Analytics Intent-Driven Modeling, you can use the intelligence in Cognos Analytics to assist in identifying where the data you need may be found, simply by entering the data items you need to work with. You want to investigate more on the product types and their target sales data. Because Cognos Analytics is designed to anticipate your intent, it analyzes the data source you have selected and selects a proposed list of data tables containing the type of information to suit your analysis. You can accept this proposal and begin working to customize the data you need for your analysis. A visual representation of the data will appear in the diagram. You can work directly with the diagram to better understand the relationships between the tables by seeing them visually. As a user, you can enhance or augment the data module yourself. If there is data you do not need in your analysis, you can easily remove it. You can also extend out the data module by adding in more data. Cognos Analytics Search is a quick way to find additional data you may be looking for. For instance, you can bring in additional product tables to get more information on the individual product attributes. You can bring in order information so you can then analyze down to order level detail. And you can bring in a time dimension so you can report using alternative time measures. As you add this data into your data module, notice all the lines between the tables in the diagram. Cognos Analytics recognizes the join relationships between the data sources, allowing you to see what relationships existed between the tables. If a relationship is not recognized, you can manually define how to join the tables by defining the join relationship between the files. In addition to the corporate data, you have a social media data file you just received from marketing. You can upload this file into Cognos Analytics directly from your data module build. Once it's uploaded, you can add the uploaded file into the data module by searching the uploaded files. You can now join the social media file into the data module by defining the join relationship between the files. Your next step is to customize the data module using the robust data preparation capabilities provided by Cognos Analytics. To start with, you want to narrow down the data items to just those needed for your analysis. For instance, if you do not need all language translations for the products, you can easily remove or hide these items so that they will not render when using the data module in your analysis. For each measure, Cognos Analytics allows you to set the properties of how you want to use the data and have it behave in your analysis. You can change the label to one that reflects the common nomenclature used within the company. Usage and aggregates may be set for summing and grouping behaviors. And sorting may be used to control the default sort order desired when using in analysis. Cognos Analytics also allows you to set up custom groups in the data module. In looking at the age in the social media data, you believe it would be more beneficial to add in age groups. Easily, you can add in a custom group for age. Just set the number of groups and then set the parameters for each. You can set up a group for minors, millennials, Gen Xers, baby boomers, and seniors. Also notice that in Properties, you can view the advanced calculation Cognos Analytics built for the age group. Users can edit these calculations and set up their own advanced calculations to be added to their data module. By changing to the data grid view, you can see that you now have age group added to the data module. Next, you'll set up navigation paths, which will help you easily explore and drill down to underlying data as you move through an analysis. Navigation paths can be defined to allow you to drill through your data in any way that follows your train of thought. For instance, when working with product line, you can set up a navigation path that will allow you to drill from product line to individual orders, and set up another navigation path that allows you to drill from product line to your retail customers. And with that, your data module is complete. In just a few minutes, you were able to build out a customized, trusted data source that provided the data you need how you need it. You're now ready to dive into your analysis so that you can turn that data into valuable insights.